Nestled in the northeastern part of Vietnam, Binh Lieu district in Cung Ninh province is often referred to as a miniature Sapa, due to its stunning natural beauty, cold climate, and rich cultural diversity. Unlike the coastal areas of Cung Ninh that are more famous for tourist destinations like Ha Long Bay, Binh Lieu remains relatively undiscovered by mainstream tourism. This hidden gem is home to a mosaic of ethnic groups, each with its own distinct traditions, languages, and cultural practices. In this introduction, we do explore the rich cultural heritage of Binh Lieu, focusing on the various ethnic groups that call this region home and the unique aspects of their way of life. Binh Lieu is predominantly inhabited by ethnic minorities, with the Sancheha, Dao, Thai, and Hmong being the most prominent groups. The diversity of cultures in Binh Lieu makes it a fascinating place to explore for those interested in learning more about Vietnam's rich ethnic tapestry. Each of these groups has its own language, traditional dress, festivals, and customs that have been preserved and passed down through generations. The Sancheha people are one of the largest ethnic groups in Binh Lieu. Known for their resilience and deep connection to nature, the Sancheha have historically lived in remote highland areas, cultivating the steppe rugged fields that are characteristic of the region. Agriculture plays a central role in their lives, with rich, maize, and medicinal herbs being their primary crops. The Sancheha are also known for their vibrant traditional clothing. Women wear long, wide skirts with intricately embroidered designs, paired with brightly colored tops, often in shades of green, blue, or red. These outfits are typically worn during festivals and important community events. One of the most cherished traditions of the Sancheha is the annual football match played by young women during the New Year celebration. This unique event blends modern sport with traditional culture, as the players take to the field dressed in their traditional garments, creating a spectacle that celebrates both their heritage and communal spirit. In addition to football, the Sancheha have a rich calendar of festivals, including harvest festivals and ceremonies to honor their ancestors. These festivals are often accompanied by traditional music and dance performances, featuring instruments like the entin and bamboo flutes. One of the most remarkable aspects of life in Binh Lieu is how deeply the community is connected to its cultural roots. Despite the rapid modernization seen in many parts of Vietnam, the people of Binh Lieu have maintained a strong commitment to preserving their traditions and way of life. This is evident not only in their clothing and festivals but also in their everyday practices, from the way they farm to the way they interact with nature and each other. The ethnic minorities in Binh Lieu take pride in their distinct identities, but they also share a common bond as stewards of the land. Many of the festivals celebrated in the region are tied to the agricultural calendar, reflecting the people's reliance on nature for their livelihood. These festivals are not just social events, they are acts of gratitude to the earth and the spirits that the people believe govern their world. Binh Lieu is a region of immense cultural richness and diversity, where multiple ethnic groups live side by side, each contributing to the district's unique identity. From the vibrant clothing of the Sancheha and Dao to the musical traditions of the Thai and Hmong, every aspect of life in Binh Lieu reflects a deep respect for heritage and community. As the people of Binh Lieu continue to celebrate their traditions, they offer a glimpse into the rich tapestry of Vietnam's ethnic diversity, reminding us of the importance of preserving cultural practices in a rapidly changing world. For travelers and cultural enthusiasts alike, Binh Lieu provides an opportunity to experience the warmth and hospitality of Vietnam's ethnic minorities, while also witnessing firsthand the incredible beauty of their traditions. Whether through the lively football matches of the Sancheha or the beautiful melodies of Thai, Ten, singing, Binh Lieu promises an unforgettable journey into the heart of Vietnam's cultural heritage. Here is a soccer match between the Sanchi girls in their national costumes. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we have a very special event to share with you, a football match like no other, played in the scenic highlands of Binh Lieu, Cung Ninh, among the Sancheha ethnic community. What you are about to witness is not just a game, but a beloved tradition that brings this community together every year as part of their New Year celebrations. It's a joyous occasion where culture meets sport in a way that is both beautiful and unique way. Now, as you can see, this isn't your typical football match. What truly sets this apart is the attire of the players. Instead of sports jerseys and shorts, the girls are dressed in their traditional ethnic costumes. Just look at those flowing white skirts and the vibrant green tops. These traditional garments are not just for show, they represent the identity, heritage, and pride of the Sanceha people. It's a vivid reminder that even as they engage in modern sports like football, their deep connection to their cultural roots remains strong. Each year, as the new year approaches, this tradition is carried out with much anticipation and excitement. For the Sanceha people, this football match is a significant part of the TT, New Year, celebrations. The entire community gathers, families, friends, young and old alike, to witness the event and cheer for their teams. It's a time for joy, unity, and shared heritage, bringing everyone together in a way that few other events can. Today, the excitement is even higher, as we have several teams from nearby areas joining in for some friendly competition. And we have an extra special treat this year, a team of beauty queens. Yes, some of the participants are pageant contestants who have graduated the stages of competitions, and now they're here to show off their skills on the football field. These young women profited not only about grace and beauty, they've got the agility and drive to take on the football challenge as well. Despite wearing traditional skirts that flow as they run, these girls are as quick and focused as any professional athlete. The white skirts, though not designated for football, don't slow them down one bit. They manage to combine athletics with elegance in every stride. You can almost feel the history and culture woven into each outfit, making this a celebration not just of sport, but of cultural pride. It's a stunning sight, green tops flashing across the field, adding a visual dynamic that enhances the entire experience. You may be wondering how difficult it is to play football in these traditional outfits. The answer? For these girls, it's a chant nature. They've been doing this for years. This is a tradition that's been passed down through generations, and they've mastered the balance between sport and cultural expression. Every move they make, every kick of the ball, is a blend of agility and tradition. It's not just about winning the match, it's about honoring their heritage while enjoying a sport they love. And listen to that crowd. The whole village has come out to support the teams. You can hear the cheers, the laughter, the traditional music playing in the background, adding to the festive atmosphere. This is what makes the Sanceha football match so special. It's not just the players on the field, but the entire community coming together, celebrating their shared identity and the beginning of a new year. The game itself is full of energy. You can see how these girls strategize, passing the ball, working together as a team. Despite the traditional outfits, they move swiftly and with purpose. Their teamwork is evident in every pass and every goal attempt. It's amazing to watch how seamlessly they blend the old with the new. Traditional outfits, a modern sport, and a community bound by history and pride. And now, as the match draws to a close, it's important to remember that while this is a friendly competition, it's also a profound expression of culture. This football match symbolizes the strength and resilience of the Sanceha people, their commitment to preserving their customs, and their joy in sharing these moments with friends and neighbors. Regardless of who wins today, the real victory is in the continued celebration of a unique and beautiful tradition. Thank you for joining us in this truly special event. We look forward to seeing more of this in the years to come. Until next time, let's celebrate this moment and wish the Sanceha people a wonderful new year. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please leave a comment and like it so I have more motivation to make videos for you to watch about the life of my ethnic people.